Hi guys, we made this video like for like the London Olympics, so we made like team. Ghana and I'm Korean. So thanks for watching this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So this is Chase.
My name is Chase.
And this is June.
Yo, my name is June.
And I'm Lee. I hope you guys enjoy this video and thanks for watching it.
This is Ghana. This is Republic of Korea. This is Canada. First round is boxing. Canada versus Republic of Korea. Round 1.
Fight!
야, 빨리 싸움 동해야 되고.
잠깐만 돼. 들고 자기가 들고 있으면서.
그래서 먹는 거야 지금.
어떻게 가는 거야?
얘 영어.
This place smells like stuff. Smells stuff.
Let's go.
Okay, so I don't know what's going on here. These guys are burping over this. Oh my god. First one.
Hey, you know what? This is fucking hard. Don't try it ever.
Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air.
Freaking weird. Why did I do this? It's like
I used to love coffee. Now I hate it. For fun. I hate Coke. I hate Coke.
you love Coke, I know it.
In
Can't live
West
one day
Philadelphia,
without
born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days. Chilling chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all shooting some b-ball outside of the school when a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air." I begged and pleaded with her day after day, but she packed my suitcase and sent me on my way. She gave me a kiss and then she gave me my ticket.